This is a pair of Sonoma men's shoes, size 10.5 medium. They're in real good shape. I don't think they've been worn more than a few times. The soles still look real good. Nice pair of slip-ons. Very soft and not real stiff. And there you go. Thank you for viewing this auction.